Me don't for utie me. She de bia meka. Sa bra bo aye bo no. Ebe yesa wo yadia. Wo be yade pa. Said the bear near my pa ebeba wakwem. Na brebia obey wadwin se wo yade bone. Wo dwin obi ho adwum bone. O bo obi ho epo bone no. Wo be hu se ene ma bone nso ene beba wakwem. Enu ntina mpanifo se se wo wi ofo nsa na wa hwe wo de. Enam se kwam biara so karma is still working. I always say it. Say karma eguso ye adwuma din. Enti onipa de wo buo bia eno a ene wotwa. O de obi leaki. Amen sa kam edefa eye Avram Moshe ho. Ya ba be di bronya. Fa we fa yesua de. Itie odoyi asta de na hyeme ama obeka sa ye me. Wo de etie.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning. Cynthia, when is here?
We will see they prepare na. Gano be free Mr. Avram Moshe Siakra.
Okay.
I'm finding out the location and making this kind of command.
But they will your transit and first getting command view. Some funny stories there you have to see after the home on social media concern about Reverend also Reverend also Bempa. We have come in conclusion say we are withdrawing our support from the team because right now it doesn't worth it. Many said we have come in conclusion say we are not going to sponsor or support him any longer. Into the and first you can end Kamano. Don't call him and don't give me anything. Why? Because don't call him, don't give me anything. Because Seth is very much upset. You raised 10,000 euro to support this movement. At the end of the day, Reverend Osuban Pansama, many problem. Me, Christian, be a member of Common Sense. But the point is that Obi Awaboda, at the end of the day, when some say you are teaching him a lesson. I mean, it doesn't speak well. And we are very much disappointed.
So for Penny, Reverend Osuban,
yes, there's a big problem between. You don't know, but this is what we saw it on the social media. Yes, intimate Pocho. Don't give him anything. Don't call him again. We are cancelling everything. Why Pocho? Many said we are doing we'll take a decision and see what to do. But we are not giving him the money again. Set have agreed that we should cancel the transaction. No beyond that is what I'm going to do now. If anything happens to the money, it's going to be a problem for me. So don't give him the money, don't call him. Why? My late send me rush it to June into my neighbor later. Okay, that's you. Bye bye.
Me catch now say one shiny ya when no masam ebema obi pese oboa wa omboa when no masam abrantie bi gina baabi o tie when no masam why na dwen se ko be ware wa enam when no masam nti onware hwe wa ware ye enam wa when no masam nti be ma no ojawo when no masam nti wo yire no ojawo wankasa wonsam se de wo si a wo kasanti obi ehu o pese o ma wadwuma ye eso wo se de wo kasanti wo ma nipa na dwen se o mfa wadwuma obi aye na dwen se o pese o de ko hwe adwuma o pese o bo wo sika fam o pese o bo wo kwan bebre so nanso the way you talk o kasa dodo o kasa aya hwe o kasa hwe nchen first of all dwen papa di kan papa but mo dey say obedi kan sempa na afi so o kasa you very careful kakra me nya se ba bia na obi wa no ana wo kasa o tie amount na 10,000 euros. Do you know the amount in Ghana cedis? 64,773 Ghana cedis. What do you call Enkano Titisikama? 600 million ebisa kaho. Yes, Kaketwa. Anka mimi abeme oba peje. They are tuna tasu, no dia boa, or they are supporting a Juma biara, or ye. If you say no be him said the okay Kenyan, no credit or day or day. Ama we lose says gawe just because of ungratefulness. And on one kase no mon sem bi okaye na nso Bible say eniema ebusu ewa akoma mu no na epie firi nipa da sane ano. Etini de wona dwene mu de wona akoma mu e na common sense panini oyi obi na no e de kaye eye akwaniase bi ofa so e de sika de free eye papa Reverend Owusu Bempa ene kwan ya wasanya plan so obi use strategies bi no de sika wan PP for ho na we sika ne taw no wi agwaso yetia wom medofo ewiase ho wa ye wadwen se wo ye obi bone a bo modin pa na hwe wachi ayi asam kase aba ya na franka nsiso not knowing se nkrofo bi so drop abrantie pa anka o ma ye o madwen se o mo boa no nenso no enam ono ane no masam o kan ya da bia me kasa srodi oben ono ane ho nipa atumi ama sa video eye nkoma no mudi eba abonten hwe wo de tie nkoma no mudi ne tie asama eye Avram Moshe o kan ye tie
Bible ka chese me ti aso down bi na Jerusalem also say pia besi
Adrena ya joa.
What do you ask? I'm saying right. I'm just a pretty stage with Yamami. Ibia, I mean, Casamo. We want we, you must carry we. I'm a child. Yamuko no mako, Yamuko jemo power no mako timi me nyame we.
Wiase, wo ya de bi na nipa hu a, wo cap ye ma na ye ma. Ntimi no matter how smart you are, no matter how wani esi da ho, emfa wo ne wo a wo se wo de wo ni nyansa sen wiase nipa nyina no, still no, se wo bre so aho. Ade kitikiti bi na be yiwa hwo. Dwen ye obi hu adwempa, efise se wo anga wo dwen obi hu adwempa. Onka obi hu asambone cry in the first place mpo na obi a record wo de akwabonten. Eno ye de kan. Ghana fo binum na omayom hu ungrateful no Ghana fo bi mu a obi yade ma mu a enna ade echi na wanya bi ama mu a na waye nipa bonini obi wo kwa po obenya ma no beji ochina obenya ma no beji ade obechi obenya ma no beji na so still obeka wo chira sambone Safo no mum yenjai o mum yenjai why na no nim say ye nua be ma Avram almighty wise man obi ondu onim nyansa se obi anka obetumi agya ne ho sei e ma asam ati sei ekwan ye obefa so a obebu nkwayi NPP fo ekuma ji o musika no wi wasan sori eti why na no nim say enka brante ko obegya ne ho sei ma asam ati sei na pie obi enim Nanso no one kasa wo ye be pie onipa bia ya say every day for the thief man one day for the master nti wo ye bibia nya wadwen sa wo ye ne tra de wo be ye bi ye kwan bia so ho beda hodako nti Ghana fo a mo ye tisa no Ghana fo ye suban ye bibia ye de nkofo mo asem bone nkofo adwen bone ye no di nkomo ye no siri sesi a mesi minimum man bi ono be siri sa kama nanso wo dan wo ansam o kan wachi no sa wo ti a wo du ti bebodwem ye ba be di bronya fa we fa ye suade na braba yebono is just like a mirror. If you smile to the mirror will smile back to you. If you frown to the mirror will frown back to you. Mama yen sakra na nyankopon hwe ho mfa nhira yen no ntwe yenkom na niam aye pe no embra yen chen na se bre bia yen negative things are the good things will drive away from us and always negative things will come closer to us. And you see your positive things, your good things that we should do good to people so that good things will always come to us. God bless you wherever you are. My name is Nefia Charlotte. If you call me Tiasi Foba, I will gladly respond. Happy Christmas.